Hey everybody, want to get you guys started today. We finished our country research. I want to ask you the question, what type of company would you want to start or operate in the country that you researched? Hopefully you gained some information about this country that made you want to, expand, do a global economy, into a global economy, run a business, manage a location, maybe overseas or to our neighbors to the north or south. Who knows? But I am excited to look at your presentations and watch your videos. But answer that question, what type of business would you want to run or operate? Today we are moving forward. We are going to identify and define MNCs, multinational companies, and their significance in the global market. We'll define and understand licensing, franchising, and joint ventures. Why? To help you further understand international business. This is our last bit before we move into a slightly different topic. It goes along with international business, but slightly different. And to help you identify ways that business expands from local to global corporations. So if you have not done this, I know I told some of you, you may need a little time to finish your recordings. Finish your country recording. They need to be submitted to the Schoology discussion board to be able to view and comment on your classmates. It's not just you that is getting the grade for this. Your classmates have to be able to watch and respond to your videos as well. So get them recorded, get them put online, and watch and respond to other people's. After you finish that, make sure that you have watched the necessary amounts and responded, and then open up on Schoology the worksheet about multinational companies. You're going to read the little bit in the chapter about international business organizations. It's chapter 3.3. And then fill in the information on the worksheet, chapter 3.3 review. Again, this is going to inform us and tell us about multinational companies, franchising, joint ventures, and licensing. Once you are finished with that, that concludes chapter 3. So I want you to do a little crossword. It is chapter 3 crossword. You can use the textbook, online resources, fill in the crossword on Schoology. I like crosswords. I think they're a little bit fun. Sometimes they're a little tricky, but hopefully you have a good time doing this. If you need any help, let me know. Then finally, we are going to start in chapter 4. This is going to bring us to some vocabulary. There are some words that I need to know that you know. So what I want you to do is create a flashcard set. I personally love the program Quizlet. It lets you create free flashcard sets that you can use to study if you've never used this program before. You put your word on one side, and then you put a definition, and then you can play games, you can quiz yourself, but you are going to create a flashcard set. When you are done, I want you to share your flashcard set with me by turning in a link to that on Schoology as well, so I know that you got those done. If you have any questions today, you know where to find me. I look forward to looking at your presentations. You guys have worked really hard on those, and I'm really excited to see what you have researched and to getting through this last bit of the chapter about international business and moving forward into our next chapter, chapter 4, where we talk about social responsibility, ethics, and management. If you need me, let me know. Have a great day.